I hope you guys are ready. I know I'm ready. It's been a long time. Long time. Here we go. Part 3. We're gonna fire up the Nova. Hope we're gonna fire up the Nova. As you can see, it's pretty nasty out. I was hoping I could get the car rolled outside so I could do this outside, but I'm not gonna be able to do that. So we're just gonna leave it up on stands. Leave it in here. It is an absolute wreck in the garage. You have to disregard that. I've been going as hard as I can to try to get this thing ready to fire. If I get it fired up and get the timing set on it, I think I'll feel like it's a huge win. And then I can go finish a lot of the other little minutia, if you will, on it, like the wiring. Still got to do this fan wiring in here. I wanted to do this last week, as you guys knew or saw. And I want to have some friends over and we can kind of do the big first fire and all that. A little less dramatic today, but we're still going to see if we can get this thing to fire up and make a little noise. All right, we have, I think everything major we need here. We've got our fire extinguisher there just in case. Good to be safe. Let's go back in here, set up our throttle position sensor. Let's see how we do that. Just didn't give me great instructions on how to do that. Let me see if I can go find how to do that. So what did I do with my instructions? I put them on top of the car like a smart person. All right, it says it's a great time to check for fuel leaks, no doubt. Home screen, monitor, select monitor screen. We've done that. You will see icon name initial startup. I think we've done all the setup. It's time to fire this baby up. I'm gonna put you guys over here in a safe spot. So if I have to jump out of this thing in a hurry to get to this fire extinguisher, I don't want to run into you. We're gonna give it a go. All right, cycled through the fuel a few times, tightened up some connections, just double checked everything. This one was loose. Everything else looked good. Don't know where I missed that one, but that's why you double check everything. I think we're ready. So still got some wiring issues to deal with. All right, take 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. Nothing. All right, so what I've done is pop the distributor up and rotate it 180 degrees out where I had it. I think that's the problem. I hope that's what's going on here, is I'm 180 degrees out. We're gonna give this a try. If this doesn't do it, then I'm gonna have to diagnose more stuff. But man, I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Running out of battery life on my camera, running out of steam. It's hot, it's humid. Ready to hear this thing run. I know you guys are too. All right, here we go again. So we moved the Dizzy around 180 degrees out. And we're back in action. Let's see what we got. Fingers crossed. All right, my camera battery died, so I need to get another camera. Found out my problem. Definitely wasn't get power to the distributor, so I ran a new lead for that. I have checked it. I'm getting fire, I'm getting gas, I'm getting all the good stuff, and just ignition's out 180 degrees. I should have left it alone. But I diagnosed this problem before I turned it around. We'd have been cooking right now. But now the issue is I've taken the distributor out and I've turned it. I need to get it back in top dead center. I've got the motor back in top dead center. I need to get the distributor pointed back to number 1 cylinder. I'm there, but I can't get the distributor to fall back in. So we're going to pull the distributor out and twist the oil pump shaft so the distributor will line up with it. That's just the nature of the beast. So I'm going to do that. See if I can get my dizzy back in. My plug wires back on again. Get everything back on, and we'll try to fire it one more time. I think I've got everything initialized, everything's good. Yeah, I'm about to fire it, man.
Alright.
I'm getting in it right now. Let's see what kind of shit's gonna happen. There we go. Nothing. All right, folks. I've retraced every wire. Battery leads, negative battery cables, everything you can imagine. I think I've got it sorted. I left the coil wire off that runs to the ignition system to the super sniper, so it wasn't pushed all the way up in there. So I just keep fighting things. It's my own fault. I'm just trying to get it done, but I'm super close. I think this is going to be the one. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Well, it's fired, but I don't know what's up. It doesn't sound like it's running on all 8. Alright. Well, she fires up and runs, boys. Whoa. Well, we still got some issues. I'm not sure what's going on why we can't get it to actually idle. She runs. A little smoky in here. I got some idle issues. I'm gonna have to do some reading on here. Figure out how to get the idle set. So guys, there you have it. She fired up and ran. That's what we wanted to do. We accomplished our goal. Now it's to fire it up, to hear it run. It obviously has got a long way to go. We got a lot of shakedown, a lot of finished work to do on it, a lot of finished wiring, stuff like that under the hood. Hopefully everything is good. I didn't see anything that tipped me off that there's any issues with the engine. Just going to be a little tuning and setting the right timing on it. I'm hoping that's all we got to do and we're good to go. Man, she runs. She runs. I won't say she sounds great, but she runs. No rods kicked out of the side of it yet. That's a plus. Nothing caught on fire yet. That's a plus. Yeah. Mission accomplished. See you next time, Southeast Speed Shop.